how much the quantity of your pork and the fish roll. After mixing, we add the ham. Mix together. After in a while, we will going to add the onion ring, and then we can set aside first. While we set aside, we will going to add a little oil on the wok and then add the onion bulb. Stir fry a bit. After the fragrance comes out, we will going to add the chicken broth. Okay. Okay, the chicken broth is already boiling. We can add now the noodles, and then you can see if the noodles already absorb to the chicken broth. We can add now first the bottom part of the Chinese cabbage. Mix it together. After a while, we can add now the pork mixtures, the one we stir fry a while ago. After that, we mix it together slowly, and then it's time to taste. You can taste now, and then you can adjust according to your own taste. If it's already mixed together, you can add now the Chinese upper part of the Chinese cabbage. Okay, so we slowly mix it together. It's just like we're cooking a pancit in the Philippines. So after that, taste is good. We can add now the egg. So the last part is the egg. So mix. That's it now, guys. You can serve it with a lemon. Hi guys, kimchi. I really love kimchi. Kimchi. This is the inside. So so much for me. I love this. Oh, okay guys, we're done in cooking, so I want to shout out to May Blog, hello there, and Yota, you're in the USA, right? Then Joshua, Greg, you have a lot of paintings in your blog, so nice. And have a nice day to Chel Arroyo. You have already back in Thailand, right? So you have a great vacation in Taipei, safe travel, so nice. And to before I forget, hello there, KJ Moto, and we be right back. So how are you two guys in the group? So stay safe with your buddy, the Moto. Hi to my cousin Vanessa. How are you there? So I'm just here. If you cannot catch me in the messenger group, I'm just here. So see you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.